Okay, what's good, Jits? So, actually today tapos na yung trade ko. I'm just gonna show you guys how this trade played out so that it can help you. It can hopefully help you if you're in your trading journey as well. But basically, I'm just gonna show you how I planned this trade out and how I made like 35K today. So, we're starting off on the... Oh, shit. Burahin muna natin itong mga drawing ko. Okay, so we're starting off here today. So, today's Tuesday. We got a pretty bullish candle last week. So, this was when Powell spoke. So, we got like high impact news that led to this bullish trade that took out like most of this trend line liquidity. This liquidity. So it took out all of these highs and it led to a bullish momentum coming into Monday. But then on Monday, we got to see a retracement. And from there, at first, I was actually leaning bearish on this at first. But then, moving into the lower time frame, um, moving into the lower time frame, like even in the lower time frame, you can see like uh, the previous New York session has been pretty like bearish. So you would expect like if you want to continue the trend, then obviously we have to find shorts. But looking at the 1 hour chart, I saw that Asian session manipulated the previous day low, which is right here. So we got a manipulation right here. So liquidity was swept right there. So that was our high time frame liquidity sweep. No? So after that, uh, so that means our daily profile for today was looking like an Asian session manipulation, a London session reversal, and then hopefully a New York session continuation to the upside. So since this is an Asian session manipulation, I would expect that London would reverse from here. So I ended up becoming bullish for today. So once I saw that we swept previous day lows and the higher time frame scaled down to the 15 minute, 30 minute, and tried to find the next draws on liquidity, like where price wants to go next. So we got this high, we got this high, and we got Asian session high, right? So like those were the next draws on liquidity where I would want to take profit. So after that, scaled down again to the 5 minute where I would be looking for my entry. Scaled down to the 5 minute. Um, where did I even enter here? Right. So we inverse. First of all, we inverse this fair value gap in the 5 minute. So this became an inverse fair value gap, which is the first step uh, to my rules and whenever I want to take an entry. So first of all, I want to find a break of structure in the 5 minute, followed by a retracement on the 5 minute, and then scale down to the 1 minute, and then look for a break of structure on the 1 minute. So since we inverse this fair value gap, so that's technically equal to a break of structure. So I'm not gonna go more into details as to why that is equal to a break of structure. Probably in like uh, future videos, I can like go in depth on the confluences that I use. But for now, I'm just gonna break down this trade for you guys. So we inverse that fair value gap. So now I'm looking for um, a retracement. So where is our next line of retracement? We got this 5-minute fair value gap right here. So honestly, I didn't have to wait for this one because I just set like I just set a limit order right here. So our stop would be like below, just below this liquidity sweep. And then after that, we would target like the next draws on liquidities, which is this 30-minute high, this 30-minute high, and this Asian session high. Right. So I could have waited more for this. Like I probably could have had a better entry if I just waited for more confluences on this. But basically, what I did was once we got that inverse fair value gap, and then we got this like 5-minute fair value gap, I just immediately set an order right here inside the 5-minute fair value gap because I was convinced that we were going to reverse from here, which eventually we did, right? But yeah, I could have got a better entry, I guess, if I just waited in the and scaled down to the 1 minute. But I did not scale down to 1 minute. I was just confident on this one because um, if you look at GBP, like this was also like a bullish S&P divergence. So Euro made a higher high while GBP made a lower low. So that was another confluence that I use. So like that just gave me enough confidence to uh like set set my order and just uh let price react to this 5 minute fair value gap. We did end up like invalidating that fair value gap though. Like we closed below it, but obviously trade still played out because of the divergence. Right. So my first take profit was right here. I did not I did not set my first take profit here because these are like relative like low resistance draws on liquidity. So like if you're gonna set your take profit here, your first take profit here, might as well put your next take profit here because if two highs like this are like very close to each other, most likely the second high will get tagged as well. So if the first high will get tagged, most likely the second high will get tagged as well, which it did. So this is where I put my first take profit. I earned like $200 from that trade, from that first take profit, and then my last take profit was right here above these Asian highs, like here. So and the full TP I got like $631. So that equals to like 35K. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how I basically made 35K today. Uh, I was honestly at the gym during like after I got like first take profit. I just went to the gym and just let the trade run because after my first take profit got hit, basically I just put my stop loss to break even so that I got to secure my profits and I won't have to worry anymore because it's basically a risk-free trade now, right? So just set my stop loss to break even so that even though I get stopped out, like I'm still in profit because I hit take profit one, so I like secured profits from there. So with that, I could just go outside and have a worry-free day going on. So yeah, that's how I made like 35. How much did I make? I made 350. Sorry, 35K, 35,946 pesos. So yeah, hopefully I get to post more videos like this. Siguro ganito na lang, yung breakdown na lang yung ipopost ko. Instead of like going through like yung buong trade in a single video because that uh, that goes like an hour, like even 2 hours or more. Like, and I'm pretty sure like you cannot like watch that whole thing and unless like you do really want to watch it. But I think this is more convenient for you guys para straight to the point and magets nyo agad kung ano yung nasa isip ko, what went on my mind during the trade, and what basically happened. So, yeah. Hopefully, I get to trade again tomorrow, and I'll see you guys next video. Goodbye. And good luck on your trading journey as well if you're trading right now. Bye bye.